In telephone conversations, problems often arise because we cannot see the other person. Typical issues include a bad connection, calling the wrong number, or not hearing clearly. Learning useful phrases for these situations helps us communicate politely and confidently, even when the call is difficult. When the phone line is weak or keeps breaking, it is called a bad connection. In such cases, it is important to stay calm and speak clearly. You can say, "Could you repeat that please?" or "Sorry, you are breaking up." If the sound cuts out, say, "I think the line is bad," or "Can you hear me now?" Using these polite phrases makes communication easier even when the signal is poor. If the connection does not improve, it is polite to suggest another way to continue. You can say, "Shall I call you back?" or "Let us try again later." You may also say, "I will hang up and call you again." Sometimes it is better to continue by email or online chat. These responses show patience and professionalism during the call. Sometimes a caller dials the wrong number. When that happens, respond politely and clearly. You can say, "I am sorry, I think you have got the wrong number," or "There is no one by that name here." You can also ask, "Who are you trying to reach?" If you make the mistake, say, "Oh, I must have dialed the wrong number," and end the call kindly. When someone reaches the wrong person, keep your answers short and courteous. You can say, "I am afraid you have reached the wrong person," or "No problem at all, have a nice day." Simple phrases like, "That is okay, easy mistake," or "Goodbye" maintain a friendly tone and leave a positive impression. If you cannot hear someone well because of low volume or background noise, speak politely and ask them to repeat. You can say, "Sorry, I cannot hear you very well," or "Could you speak up a little please?" If the line is noisy, say, "There is a lot of noise on the line," or "Can you repeat the last part?" These expressions help you keep the conversation clear and smooth. When you miss a word or a sentence, use polite expressions to ask for repetition. You can say, "Could you say that again, please?" or "Would you mind repeating that?" You may also say, "I did not catch that. Could you repeat?" or "Sorry, what was that last word?" Such polite questions help you understand without interrupting rudely. Sometimes you may hear most of what was said but want to confirm details. You can say, "Did you say?" and then repeat what you understood. Or say, just to confirm, "That is," and restate the information. You may also use, "I want to make sure I understood," or "Could you spell that for me, please?" These phrases ensure accuracy and avoid confusion in the conversation. In telephone conversations, politeness and clarity are key. For bad connections, ask to repeat or offer to call back. For wrong numbers, respond kindly and end the call gently. When you cannot hear clearly, ask for repetition or clarification. Always stay calm, clear, and courteous. These skills make every phone conversation smoother and more professional.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.